Alright, it's here. Now the only reason I got this is because at work I'm not allowed to wear headphones. But for someone like me that doesn't like to be in his own mind, that's a problem. Because they just want me to focus on work and I can't do that. Especially if it's repetitious, you know? Like, since I was already caught with headphones on, they told me that if they catch me again, I will get a corrective action. Meaning just rules and all that stuff. So they're not gonna catch me wearing headphones again. Oh, that's pretty nice. I like that. I will still be able to listen to my podcast, my audiobooks, and everything like that because I got these. Usually with products, they always come relatively charged, so let's see if this has any. I'm just gonna put this right next to the mic, alright? Ready?
Power on. Enter pairing mode.
What did it say? Pairing mode? So I had to connect it to my phone. Also, look what happened to my phone. Do you see that? Do you see that green light? Like, I dropped it, and this is what happened. Like, until this phone completely dies on me, I'm not getting another one. Okay, I didn't even check out my look in it. Okay. I don't know. It's not too obvious, you know, it's just a basic pair of glasses. That's the whole point of it. And these are the Blu-ray blue light blocking ones. I don't know what it means. I guess it's supposed to help our eyes with like looking at technology or something. Yeah, alright, let's see if I can play some tunes. Okay, you know, it's not that bad. Okay, I'm gonna put the glasses back on you so you can have like a little test. That's the top. That's the highest volume. I think this is gonna be absolutely fine. I have a big ass head and I thought this was gonna like squeeze my head, but it's decent, you know? I think this is gonna be good. Oh. I just threw the box. I didn't even realize it comes with a nice little, you know, nice little bag you can put this back into. Let me check what else they have in the box. I should have done this at the beginning. What is this? Oh, it comes with different lenses. A nose guard kind of thingy. I don't think I need that. I think it's fine. You know, right on. Yeah, I think it's good. It comes with 2 envelopes with the right and left lens. Then the manual says that there's different types of buttons and the buttons can do different things. So let me show you that too. So right under here discreetly there's the volume up button, the volume down button, the power button to turn it on and off, which also if you just press regularly it will pause and play the music. If you hold it down, that's when it powers off and powers on. You just open this little lid and that's where you charge it. They want us to be at work in silence for 8 hours. I mentally can't do that. So with these, I got no problem. I'm not a product reviewer, but I can imagine that there's a lot of people that would like to listen to music or listen to something during work, but are not allowed to. So the name of the product is Vocal Skull, and it's called Alien 5 Bone Conduction Glasses. I don't know if it does all that bone conduction stuff. I think it does fine for glasses that play sound. What you also might need to take into consideration though is that the noise might leak a little bit. So if you see your manager coming, just pause the music. All you have to do is this. And that doesn't look too obvious, right? Boom, music is paused. And then when they leave, boom, put it back on, hey! Alright, I think that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, all that stuff. Peace.